Hello guys, today I'm in my favorite gate. I'm riding with the third generation train with no advertisement. So now we're here at a moment, and then fourth generation train passing by. We're at we're at Cadino. We're at Cadino Station.
Masasakyan na itong LRT1 Cavite
Guys,
Extension
this is my first time riding this
pagsisimula
third
sa Pagbaran
generation train
Station
with
in
no
Pasay to
advertisement.
Dr. Santos
Yeah,
Station
I'm
in
riding
Parañaque.
127B.
Kasama dito sa first 5 new
That means
station
I
itong
rode this train.
Redemptorist, Mia Road Station, PITX, Ninoy Aquino Avenue Station at itong Dr. Santos. So ito expected to reduce travel time from Parañaque City to Quezon
You might be
City
asked,
by
why did
almost an hour.
I
Kita
record
mo
it?
naman yung rush hour
You
dito sa
see,
Boulevard.
you
Grabe,
see,
halos
I
bumper
rode
to
this
bumper.
train
So
with
itong
no
pag-add ng
advertisement.
additional
It's
5
the
new
third
station ay
generation train,
mas
and it's so
mag-encourage ng
realistic
mga
that I
may dalang
like it
sasakyan
so
na
much.
mag-commute na lang, lalo na pag ang
So,
biyahe nila ay simula
so
dun sa
this
monumento
this video
papuntang
will be short.
Parañaque. So makakatipid na kayo,
Will
mabilis
be
pa ang biyahe.
showcasing from the last station
So
of
napakatagal na
Fernando
itong
Po
project na to,
Jr.
ilang administrasyon
Yeah,
na yun
Fernando
nakalipas.
Po Jr.
So ngayon, i-feature
So
natin
it's a
itong lahat ng
long,
station na
long
kasama
way
sa
up.
phase 1.
So it's so far away. Then you
Nandito na tayo
likely
sa
have to
Baclaran
stay in the
ngayon.
video.
So finally naman ito, sasakay tayo ng LRT1 Cavite Extension Phase 1. So today is Sunday.
Yeah, I rode this
Umaga
train
tayo magsimula ngayon dito
because
para
this is my
medyo
first time riding
konti
with
pa yung
no
mga pasahero.
advertisement.
Kasi mas marami dito kapag
Cause like, cause
Alright.
like
So,
I
dito
rode
tayo
this
dito
third
ngayon dyan sa
generation
may
train
LRT Baclaran
and it's
Station.
so looking good.
Kasi dito yung huling part.
It says
Tapos yung kasunod dyan, Redemptorist,
it
yun na
says
yung
one fast and
extension niya.
convenient commuting. Why the LRT train now? Yeah. And there's the fourth generation train stops in in United Nations. Sorry, my voice is kind of weird, but I'm okay.
Ito na yung Baclaran Station.
You see that time, guys? That is the real thing. 10:50, 10:50.
Dito naman,
That is the real time
dalawang pila dito
in this
mahaba.
game. Yeah, now we're leaving United Nations.
So, single journey
This is
tayo.
for
Dito muna tayo sa
the
Redemptorist.
video bad news again part 2. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. And now we're going fast and bypassing the Mini Manila Academy. The same thing where we did that video about the two trains collided. But this one is not. And kind of fast. Yeah. So like we're approaching a bridge. Yeah, we're approaching a bridge. But only at the other side, so you can't see it. You can only see at the other side when you're in the left side. Yeah. So now we are approaching a riverbank. Oh, I guess. And now we're bypassing it. The riverbank. See that? So cool. And there's a train over there if you want to go there. It says FST. Wake up, young man, wake up. Yeah. So that academy is the real thing. I seen it before when I was like in the LRT line 1, yeah. But in the fourth generation train. So yeah. And now we're here at Quevedo. It has a roof on it. Wait, no roof. With no roof, by the way, sorry. I thought roofs maybe existed. There's a special boarding area. And there's another third generation train passing by. But it has an advertisement. So yeah, we're leaving Quevedo. Well, that one is stopping. They might thinking third generation trains are cool and look so and loving it. Yeah, that's what I like. Oh, I think we have a little problem. A fourth generation train bumped us. Yeah, it bumped us. The fourth generation train bumped us, but thankfully we didn't like clipped since because we're in a third generation train. So hopefully we don't get any crashes or bugs. Yeah. And now we're leaving. Well, that one is stopping. So yeah. So enjoy this video.
Ito na yung Redemptory Station.
You can enjoy the video, but do not mind the fourth generation train. I think my save was a bad idea. I think. I think the fourth generation train actually bumped us with a minor crashes. I think. Yeah, we're still halfway there.
Pupunta kayo ng
Until
pagsasakay kayo ng UP
Yamamoto.
Express or mga pagsasakay kayo ng
Oh my
public utility
God.
vehicle, pwede kayong bumaba dito.
Can't believe why there's so
Ito ay
many
malapit sa Rocas Boulevard.
accidents
Marami na rin pasero bumaba
in
dito.
all nations of the Philippines. Oh wow, it crashed! Oh no, it clipped! Oh wow! See that? It clipped! Oh no!
Minutes.
Guess we have to leave, I think.
Tapos dito, meron na
Oh
rin
man.
footbridge.
Now we have to
Pupunta ka
walk.
dyan mismo sa
Well, we can't walk until we.
Boulevard.
Oh! You see that? It
Pero
went
mukhang sarado pa
through.
itong
It went
footbridge.
through the train, and it doesn't want to stop.
Dito meron niyang sakayan ng mga
Is it going to
taxi.
find out? Oh,
jeep, tsaka
wow!
bus.
What is happening? See that?
Yung malawak
It
na
just
yung
went
spasyo
through.
dito.
Oh my god! He went to the other track. That train went to the other track. But that's the opposite. Wait, what? But the
Redemptoris Asiana.
but oh my god! I don't know what's happening. What is happening? But that train will collide when the train is going to the wrong. Oh my
Tapos meron
god!
escalator.
Hopefully that train has
Sa kabila yata
Let's
yung ano
see.
yung papupuntang Baclaran. Pero nga,
And let's see this thing. Oh my.
madami jeep pala yung
Okay, we're going faster.
sa Rocas Boulevard.
Oh wow! Look at that! Bro's enjoying his life.
Ayun.
Well,
So,
me,
ngayon, mas convenient
the
kasi
train
marami
already
sasakay.
is speeding.
Okay, ayan na.
Wow, we're speeding. But derailed. It's okay. This is just a simulator. Yeah. Hopefully that train will collide to other. Sorry.
Next station, Mia Road Station.
I like how this train was now going faster because it fixed. Yeah, and now we're slowing down. And stopped for a few moments. But here's the catch. When they bump, it moves. When they bump, it slowly moves, faster moves,
Ang next
like last
station natin
time.
ang Mia. Kita mo naman kung gaano kalaking
But
tulong itong
I
bagong
think
extension.
if there's a
Kasi dati
little
kapag
problem.
commuters dito
Let's
sila
just
sumasakay
begin.
sa Rocas Boulevard papuntang Sukat. Kita mo yung
Did not
traffic dito,
work.
di ba?
Whoa, how is that train
Rush hour,
going?
bumper to bumper, no?
How is that train going? No way!
Ito yung next
That
station
train
natin dito.
We're
Mia,
going
malapit
back
sa
to the
right?
back
Yan
to
yung dating
to
pwesto ng
me,
Iloilo Customer
back to the
Court,
train,
police na.
and then
Ito po yung sitwasyon
derailed
kapag
and then crashed.
Ito mga sasakyan,
Maybe
papasok
because
kayo ng Cavitex.
you see the train was going to the opposite way, but the train maybe bumped, so
So, ito yung
maybe
ang
like
itsura ng
going backwards but derailed. So yeah, what happened? Let's see. Come on, how can they leave this train? And then why is the okay? You can't even see it. Oh no! Now a fourth generation train with advertisement bumped again. It bumped again. It bumped to the third generation train. Well, the fourth generation train from that same train was stuck. Well, the third generation train do not do anything because of the fourth generation train. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video because like I'm not reviewing one of the stations. So bye. See you at the next part. Well, how is the train? I was about to end the video, but I see the train moving. Anyways, guys, that was it. Be sure to smash that like button and
Near
subscribe.
Road Station.
Don't forget to notifications for updating videos. Bye.